Hi students! If you're watching this video, that means that you are in the orange reading group. And this is a reading video just for you. And just like how we do reading centers in our classroom. So we're gonna start off with our phonics-based warm-up flashcards. Then we're gonna do our PCI sight word flashcards. Then we're gonna do 2 reading jobs. You guys are gonna help me read some PCI sight word sentences, and then we're gonna read a fun book together where we're talking about the sound that short I makes. And guess who's gonna teach us that? SpongeBob! So if you are watching this video, that means that you are already ready at home to do your best thinking and learning. So I'm gonna give you your very first granite grizzly. That means you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. And if you earn 4 more at the end of the video, I'm gonna bring a special toy out to say hi. It's gonna be a surprise. So, are you ready to do your phonics flashcards? Okay, we're gonna clap out the word. This is the word seashell. Let's try it. Let's clap it out on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Seashell. Okay, let's do it again. But this time, do not say see. Only think it in your head. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shell. Nice job if you did that right. We are thinking about letters and letter sounds and words and listening to them in our head and saying them out loud. So our next one is, what is it? Did you say it? What is this? It's a rainbow. Let's clap it out. 1, 2, 3. Rainbow. Again, this time, do not say rain. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bow. All right, next one. Oh, this is a beautiful word. I love this word. Look at it. Ah, does it make you happy? This is the word sunshine. Let's say that one more time. Sunshine. Now let's clap it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sunshine. Again, this time do not say sun. 1, 2, 3. Shine. Wow, did you guys say that out loud? I feel like maybe I heard you all the way at my house. All right, last one. This is the word ladybug. Oh, I think we're gonna clap more than 2 times. Let's try. The count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ladybug. Okay, last time. Do it one more time, but this time do not say lady. Only think it in your head. 1, 2, 3. Bug! All right, give yourself a pat on the back if you did your phonics flashcards with me. I am going to assume you did because you guys are such great thinkers, good students. So I'm going to give you another granite grizzly. We have, count with me, 1, 2. Okay, you have how many more? 1, 2, 3, until a special toy comes to say hi, a surprise toy. Okay, next is our PCI flashcards. I want you to look at the word on the screen. You have choices. You can either point at it and think it. You can think it in your head. You can say it out loud. Let's see. Let's play a little game and see if you can say it faster than Miss Robin. Ready? Did you beat me? I bet you did. You guys are so smart. Town. Big. Lake. Hey, that sounds familiar, like Salt Lake City. Bear Lake. Utah Lake. How many lakes have you guys been to before? Lake. Small. as. See. Live. Where do you live? Do you know what city you live in? Live. Do. Where? You. Green means go. And our last one, shop. This is a newer word. Let's look really, really close at that. You can touch it on the screen. Look at those words. Say it in your head. Let's say it out loud. Count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shop. Again. Shop. One last time. Shop. Whoa! Did you guys say that loud? I feel like I could hear you all the way at my house. Okay, I want you to look at the S and the H. S says S. H says H. But if you put S and H together, it makes a new sound called sh, 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 like in sh, up, shop. This is the word shop. All right, nice job. Guess what? You guys earned another Granite Grizzly. Only how many more left? We have 1, 2, 3. How many left? 1, 2. Wow. So 3 plus 2 more is going to equal our 5 Granite Grizzlies. All right, let's do our next job. I want you guys to help me read some sentences. You know these words, so I want you following along with your eyes or your fingers on the screen and try and read out loud with me. Try and think of the sentences after we've read them and what they mean. Ready? First sentence. The town is not big. The town's not big. That makes sense. If it was a really big town, then it'd be a city. But not a whole lot of people live in towns. They are not crowded. Let's read that sentence one more time and think about it. The town is not big. Okay, next one. I like a big city. I like a big city. Next sentence. This big clock is in my home. Oh, this big clock is in my home. Do you guys have a big clock in your home? On a big farm. Last sentence. My home is by the ocean. Let's read that one more time. My home is by the ocean. Wow, wouldn't that be nice to have a home by the ocean? That'd be pretty cool. In Utah, our homes are close to the mountains, and that's pretty cool too. Nice job doing your reading. Give yourselves a pat on the back, and that means another Granite Grizzly. Are you still doing work with me? I hope so, because we only have one more before our special toy surprise. What is it going to be? Okay, our last job is SpongeBob is going to teach us about short I. Short I says I. Can you guys sing our song with me? Ready? I says I. I says I. Every letter makes a sound. I says. Did you say I? I hope so. So, in this book, listen to this word. Ix. fix. The I is the middle sound. I is the middle sound. Listen to that one more time. Fix. You know what? I have an idea. So we know our first word in the title is fix. What's that word? Think about that word. Look at the picture. See if it gives you any clues. Let's sound out that word together. Ready? The first letter is R. So we're going to slide R down. R says Our next letter is I. And we know, because you guys are so smart, that short I makes the sound I. So we're going to put our I down. And now we're going to sound this out together. I. I. Our last letter is, what's this letter right here? Did you say P? Good if you did. P says P. Can you say that with me? All right, let's slide it down. Now we can sound it all out together. Ready? Rip. Again, rip. A little faster. Rip. Faster. Rip. Rip. Okay. So that is the last word in our title. Fix the rip. All right, let's read our book. Look, a net, said SpongeBob. Do you want it? asked Squidward. I want to get rid of it. Sure, if you want to get rid of it, said SpongeBob. Listen to all those words that have the I sound in them. We can skip with the net, said Patrick. Yes, we can skip and zip with it. We can skip and zip and whip with it, said SpongeBob. We can even get a fish with it. Look at all those words with short I. Patrick, do not trip with it, said SpongeBob. But Patrick did trip with it. Patrick did a flip with it. We know that word. Rip! You guys say that with me one more time on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Rip! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the net has a rip, said Patrick. It has a big rip. We must fix it, said SpongeBob. How can we fix it, said Patrick. How can we fix a rip? You guys notice there's some question marks right there? That means it's a question, so I'm going to pause right there. And I want you to think, how can they fix it? How can they fix a big rip? What they do? They live under the ocean. Should we keep reading and find out? We can hit it, said SpongeBob. A big hit will fix the big rip. That sounds silly. Who fixes things by hitting them? Don't try that at home, guys. I think that only works for SpongeBob and Patrick. We got rid of the rip, said SpongeBob, but you cannot get rid of us. All right, our reading group is all finished. That means you guys get your last Granite Grizzly. And how many do you have? Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means you earned our mystery surprise toy. Ready?